Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Rorry 3in1 power bank. And this thing's pretty nifty. I've been using it around the house and when I travel for a couple reasons. As you can see here, it still has lightning on it, which for those of you that just picked up an iPhone 15, you're kind of wondering, what am I going to do with a lightning charger? Well, if you have AirPods and you don't want to spend money on getting USB-C AirPods right now so you can have all the same charger, you can use this to charge your AirPods. Go ahead and turn it on there. You got the battery indicator and the power button right there on the side, and you can see the AirPods are charging. So you can charge your AirPods with it. Very easy to slip that in a bag or something like that. Keep your AirPods case charged up on the go. You have your Apple Watch charger right here on the front as well, so you can use it to charge your Apple Watch. And you can still use it to charge your iPhone 15, 15 Pro, whatever it may be, because this power bank has USB-C. So not only does this power bank charge via USB-C, but it also outputs power via USB-C. So if you have this power bank and you're using it, for your headphones or whatever, maybe with lightning, maybe you're charging some other lightning device like your maybe your Magic Mouse or something on the go if you're using it with your laptop or whatever it may be. You have that lightning port right there for those devices that still use it. You can plug in and charge your iPhone 15 Pro or Pro Max or iPhone 15 or whatever it is with USB-C as well. And this power bank is 5,000 milliamp hours, so that should give you about one full charge of your iPhone, maybe a little bit less depending on how much you're using it. And it's also going to charge your Apple Watch a bunch, your AirPods a bunch, all that kind of stuff. You'll have plenty of power for to get through a day of using all your devices and accessories with this power bank. So I'll leave a link down in the description below where you can pick one of these up on Amazon. Like I said, I've been using it for a little while now. I actually got this before my iPhone 15 Pro, and I've been using it, and it's a very, very good power bank. Very small, handy power bank to have around, and I like the fact that it's got that Apple Watch charger right there on the front as well. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and as always, have a great day.